walk in the room, it's short time, money on my mind, money on my mind. I could give you.
Ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, welcome back to another video. So today we are here with a wig install / review from iDefineWig. They did send me over their glueless beach curly wig with bangs, and this is in the length 18 inches. So this is the hair fresh out of the box. Now this is a wig with bangs, but on the site the model kind of wore it like tousled to the side a little bit. So that's the vision I have for today. So let's go ahead and get into the install. But first and foremost, this again is the wig straight out of the box. This is the hairline that it naturally comes with. So if you want to wear this as a glueless wig, please believe that you absolutely can. As you can see the lace against my hand, it's very seamless. The construction of the wig as well is great. It has the 3 combs to attach it in the front, a comb in the back, the straps to adjust the tightness, as well as another reinforcement strap in the middle. Great production as always. So this is my hair prepped for the wig. As you can see, I have my edges or my very hairline left out. For this, you can leave out as much or as little hair if you want. I'm going for a natural hairline flip over look. If you know me by now, you know I'm kind of over the lace on my forehead look. So any wig I get at this point, I'm always going to turn it into a natural hairline. So I just have my hair pulled back into a ponytail that I braided up. It's just going to make it a lot easier to install. Before we get into that, let's go ahead and get rid of this extra lace. And I am not particular when I'm cutting this out because I already know I still have to go in and customize the hair, but I am cutting as close to the hairline as possible. We don't want any extra lace. Then I'm going to go in with my wig grip. This thing has been with me since 2013, 14, 15, like when they first came out. This is that. And I remember one of my first viral videos was because of this thing as well. I will link it below. But this makes sure your wig goes nowhere if you don't want to do like anchor braids. As you can see, my hair is in a ponytail. If I would have put this wig on without it, this wig would have slid right off. It holds your hair and it's like no tension, no none of that. Yeah. So I'm just putting on the wig hair, and this is just to, again, customize the wig even more to how I need it to be shaped and fixed. This is not the final install. So right here, I'm just putting on my hair, laying the wig how I know I want it. And then we're going to go in and cut off the extra lace that's basically just not in place. Again, this is going to be a behind the hairline install. So we are going to be getting rid of all the extra lace that's just not needed. Like the ear tabs, I don't need that. I have my own ear little muffins that's going to be out. You know what I'm saying? So this is where you just customize it to make sure the wig is going to sit exactly where you want it to give it that very natural look. You don't need any extra cap, any extra lace. And right here, I'm just removing the shedded hair that comes out naturally. And you're just going to go ahead and do that on the opposite side. So after you have cut the wig to match your head size and shape, I'm going to go in and basically tighten up the wig, because now you would have a good idea. You want to tighten it up to make sure that it's going to sit properly. And I'm also going to go in and make sure I get rid of that lace look at the very front. I'm going in with the Root Touch Up spray, and I'm just going to spray the very edges of the lace where the lace is going to meet my natural hair in the front. You can also use like an mascara wand to do the front. This is just like a lot easier for me. That's what I started out with. The spray is just a lot easier, and it just makes sure it's fully covered. You're going to let that dry a little bit, and then we're going to plop that in. So as you can see now, it's a lot easier to blend in from the scalp with the hair. You don't have that tan look that you're fighting with to try to overpower. And again, the spray just makes it a lot easier versus mascara, and it's not as sticky. So after I put that on, I'm just going to play around with the hair, fluff it out, give it some body. I do wish this unit was a little bit thicker in the volume, especially because the hair is shorter. It's like 18 inches. But nonetheless, I just kind of finger combed the hair out to help with the body to give it that, that look. And now I'm going to go in with my wand curler and I'm going to take pieces of the wig and pieces of my natural hair and wand curl them together. That's what's going to help with the blend a lot more. Honestly, I feel like I probably should have went a size down in my curling wand to get like a tighter curl, and then like brushed it out. I think it would have blended a little bit better, especially closer to my root section, so it can be like curls straight from the root versus, you guys see what I'm talking about. But hey, you live and you learn next time. So after that, I really just kind of went in after and used the same wand curler and just kind of like cleaned up the wig a little bit on the sections of the hair that was like just getting straight or straggly or really just didn't have that super defined wave. I just went in and kind of cleaned that up to just get a more uniformed, nicer look. After that, I also went in and just trimmed up the edges of the hair, or why am I saying edges? The length of the hair. As you can see, those little like scraggly see-through parts, just to get like a thicker, blunt, more fuller look. So yeah, by the time I was done, this really kind of looks like, I don't know, like a 16 inches, not really 18 to me. Yeah, so just keep that in mind. If you purchase this wig, you may want to go a little bit longer in the length to get like that full length and to have it thick. So because this is a full glueless wig all around, you honestly can wear this on either side of your hair. I think this is the perfect throw on and go unit, especially with it being curly. The more frizz, the merrier. So it only looks better the older the hair gets. It's very easy to manage, no tangles whatsoever. It's very lightweight. I like that the curl is one of those easygoing curls, so you're not going to have to deal with tangles or matting that much as if it was like a deep curl. So yeah, I'm loving this look so far. Definitely let me know what you think of it. Make sure you check the description box for the link to this direct hair, and also to check out all iDefineWigs has to offer, as well as the coupon code to help you save some coins. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.